Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to be talking about how to start creating application using sketchware. But if today is your first time of visiting this our channel, please do well to subscribe so that each time I publish videos like this, you are going to be the first to watch. So today we are going to be talking about how to use sketchware to build app. Like if you don't have that coding knowledge and you really want to build your app, sketchware is for you. But if you don't really understand the steps on how to start building your app, this is the simple and easy guide. So the first thing that you need to do is to go straight to your sketchware. Then it opens. Then the next thing here is to click on this plus button here. That is the first thing that you need to do. Click on it. Now you can see this particular place now is where when you tap here, you change your icon. And also this is the place you are going to add your application name. And also you can also click at this advanced settings so that you can still set some other things. So let's go. First of all, you enter your app name. Let's say how to. Let's say it's how to. Now, how are we going to change the icon now? As you can see, this particular place is bearing an Android logo. So you need to change it. Otherwise, this logo will appear when you are done with your app. So we need to change it now. Click on change the icon. You click at this choose from gallery, or you can also change to default icon, that is the Android icon, or you can also make use of this. But this time around we are using this. You click on choose from gallery, so it will take you to your phone photos where you are going to select a particular icon that you really want to use. So here we are going to use pixel art pictures. Let's use this. So you can see the icon have changed. So to put more advanced setting on this, you need to click on this advanced setting. This will open. So this particular place now, you see like this is your package name. You don't need to touch that place, but you can still change it. But for me, I recommend you don't change it. So, and this is your app name, your project name. So that is the one you can change and it will work effectively. So here, let's change it to how to. Okay, only use letters A to Z, numbers and special characters. Okay, let's see how to. Then the next thing now, to create this your app, you need to click on this create app. Create app. Just click on create app, then it will load. Once it loads, it will open. Okay, this particular place now is the interface where you start building your application, start building your app. So but I would still like to throw more light on some of these features, so that in our next tutorial we'll start from where we stopped now. So but we still have some other videos in this our channel, like some other app creators that we've made video about. You can also follow us and watch some of those videos so that you will be updated. So as you can see, this sketchware is very simple, very simple. You can use it to perform many magic. So all those magic things that we will be running in this channel. So that is the reason why you really need to subscribe to this channel. So that is just it. So you can see this linear H, you can see this linear H, linear view, scroll H, and scroll view. This particularly, all these things are layouts. All these are layouts, HEV, but you can see the first one is linear H, linear V, scroll H, and scroll V. So all these things are layouts, but it depends on where you apply them, because the way their function is different. You can see this one, there are little arrow inside it that will show you the work. You can see this one, and vertical and horizontal. That is the meaning of that H and V, linear vertical and linear horizontal. So that is just it. So you can see this particular one, this tab, button, navigation view. All these things are things that we'll be talking about once we advance in this tutorial. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe. Thank you.